Get ready to do more tolerance analysis with Inventive Concept 5. What's new? With spline modeling, you can analyze a greater range of mechanical designs, including those with complex shapes such as conical cross-sections and gears. And for gears, a new configuration tool uses splines to rapidly create models with involute tooth profiles that are ready for your tolerance analysis. Concept 5's new tracing feature lets you better visualize and analyze a wide range of mechanism motions. You'll be more productive with a new sketch tool based on splines for creating ellipses, as well as enhancements for sketching of lines and circles. You can more quickly analyze tolerancing of 3D CAD models with support of the DXF standard for importing 2D geometric data. And Concept 5's enhancements improve usability for title blocks, tolerance and motion studies, and more. Are you ready for Concept 5? Visit inventive.com to learn more.